Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday the 1st of May. Starting off with Alkane Energy, which was a stock in focus quite a while back, maybe a year or two ago. You can see the classic breakdown here since the autumn that many resources stocks have had. The situation at the moment, though, is that we've had a decent spike back above the 50-day moving average at 21.1 pence. That looks like that's the floor of the January rising trend channel as well, up to 28 pence at the resistance there. So up above the 50-day line, chance of 28, maybe even up to 30, which is where the 200-day moving average is, and also where support came in on the way down during December and January. Next up is another recovery situation. We've got Egdon Resources here with a similar spike through the 50-day moving averages we've seen at Alkane. The good news is that support looks to be coming in towards the 50-day line. So basically, as long as there's no end-of-day close back below it, we'll be looking for a journey towards the 200-day moving average at 14.5 pence initially, with a top of December price channel up to 16 or 17 pence in focus after that. What I also like here is the way that the volume spiked a few days ago. The buyers went in there and it's gradually sort of kicked in terms of the share price after that. So that it seems to be a decent technical setup. Another stock where technicals are looking good is Petro. Here we've had we're already well into the recovery here. The breakthrough the 200-day moving average in January, extended support, multiple support points at the 200-day moving average. That's shown in black at 3.41 pence. And the moment we've got progress within this rising February price channel based at the 20-day moving average at 6.13 pence. View at the moment is that while there's no end-of-day close back below the 20-day line, we can head back up as high as April resistance at 10 pence and maybe up to 11 or 12 at the top of this year's channel. Another share which is back a blast from the past, Xcite Energy. Obviously, in the recent past, any time it's looked as though there was a recovery in the air, October, December, or even at the end of January, it's failed and given the bulls a slap in the face. This looks a bit better in the sense that we've got this support, as mentioned before, we've got support coming in at or just around the 50-day average, 29.13. The 50-day line has obviously capped the share price on any rallies previously since the autumn, so that is a big plus point. Decent spike in volume as well, and this corrugated RSI pattern here, the breakout, also very helpful. So while there's no end-of-day close back below the 50-day moving average, we could finally see progress at least back towards December resistance at 40 pence, even though it has to be admitted that seems to be a long way away, and also the shares have disappointed horribly over recent months. Finishing off with Zoltav Resources, which here we have a classic extended base, rising volume, bullish divergence over recent days as well. So a lot of the move may be already upon us. Probably the next stage would be an end-of-day close above the 200-day moving average, 71 pence, to give us a new leg up towards, or implied new leg up towards the October price channel top at 100 pence plus. Stop loss at the moment, probably Thursday's floor 59 pence is more than sufficient if you want to be in the shares at this point. But as I said, it looks as though 100 pence plus could be on the cards if the 200-day line is broken. That's it from me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.